You can log in your PayPal account, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up right here, my PayPal, then you go into account. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to add your money to bank account. Money is waiting for you, then accept the money, click on that. It's going to page like that. What do you want to do with your 230 pound? Transfer it to your bank, keep it in PayPal. In this case, I'm going to transfer it to your my bank. Click on that. In transfer amount 230, you can switch what amount you transfer your bank, then click this icon, and I'm going to transfer $100 and transfer money in a minute, and charging 1.75p in 1 to 3 days, no fee. So I don't want to pay that 1.75 fee for the PayPal. I'm going to select 1 to 3 days, no fee. Then I'm going to click this one and going to my Old National Bank. If you have different bank, you can change your bank, and you can see that link your bank account. Click on that. You can link any bank, what account you have in the bank, and you can select the bank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, US Bank, Citibank. Then you have to select that transfer $100. Select that transfer money, click on that. You can see your $100 is on its way. Right guys, that's a video about how to transfer PayPal money to your bank account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.